I got this idea a while back that this fourth dimensional space, which is like a thought realm, that something is happening to that, and it's falling apart, and it's like I believe that it is connected to 3D space, and 3D space is the real world that we live in. But see, when you make music, you're like accessing your imagination. And I believe that that's what the 4D realm is thoughts. And it goes along with dreams. And sleep, dreams, imaginary thoughts. It's part of that magical imaginary thing we have. And I believe that maybe that's why that music and everything was so much better in the 80s. And why do we say that there was no good music now, no good movies now? Because this 4D realm, something is happening like it's not an infinite void now. It's like the bandwidth has sort of ran out. And people have gotten smarter, and this is like the realm of possibilities, like what if I do this, or I do that. And people are doing more and more possibilities, and every time that you think a possibility, you're using up bandwidth in 4D. And see, I believe that 3D is connected to 4D. So when 4D starts collapsing, then 3D collapses. Because, it's like being able to sit down and enjoy music and go off into this imaginary realm, or every time that we play modern music, we say, this sounds like this, or it sounds like that. As King Solomon said, there's nothing new under the sun. Everything has been before, and shall be again. But I believe that the way that everything's going, I believe that there's nothing that can happen at this point except for God to reset the whole matrix and start everyone over from scratch. Because this 4D dimension, the realm of music and thoughts, it's ran out of space, it's ran out of bandwidth, and everything has been thought of. Every possible thing that we can do with what we're, involved in our world. We're not space exploring because space is a lie. But, it's become really obvious that something is going on. It's almost like they are trying to distract how bad the problem really is. And when I say that, I mean all the movies that come out now are rehashes of the 80s movies. We always have the guy that says, well, that's cause they know that they made money with them back then. That's nothing to do with it. It's cause they don't have the creative spark and the freshness to make the same movie again. And, they're doing that to kill time, to run the clock out. But see, I believe that it's over with. Satan's world is collapsing every day. And I believe that with every one person that turns away from the Matrix, from the world, it comes apart a little more every day. You know, like with me, staying off caffeine for like a total time of like 4 years, that's that much time outside the Matrix. You know, and if anyone else does it, you know, it's cultivating the reality setting in. And when you get outside the Matrix, that's when you're less involved in the world than you ever were. And I do believe that's what's going on though. The fourth dimension is sort of running out of possibilities, and because of that, it's affecting 3D. People are more miserable now, and it's like every possibility has been done. You know, like, I know that I see a lot of women always griping about equal rights. You know, we should be able to do everything that a man can do. You know, and everything. And, you know, I understand that. I understand equal rights and all that, but I do regret that I come from a time in the 80s where women enjoyed looking like a woman and acting like a woman. You know, it's like if you wanna be a man, you know, why do I wanna look at a man? You know, but you know, same thing can be said about men. The men are being really effeminate right now, and you know, that's what I'm saying. They've lost their way. They've lost what it means to be a man or a woman. You know, it's like all the possibilities are getting intertwined here, and the result is a collapse of society. And I can actually look out there, it's sort of like being on a train track. I can look out there and look down the line, and I can see crash. It all comes apart. You know, I'm not saying that to doom and gloom you, but I know that it can't work. If God does not reset the Matrix, this world will never work again. It will all cluster and just keep filling up the fourth dimension, and that'll be it. You know, and maybe that's what happens every so often. Maybe that you have to have a reset and clear out the cache of so we have an empty mind, so that we can imagine things. We can imagine possibilities and have hope for the future. But now we know everything, and you know, it's like there's nothing really else to learn. Well, from where I'm sitting, you know, there ain't a lot more to learn, really. You know, I know that the world is fake. I know that space is fake. We are on a prison planet in a playpen run by the Illuminati, and there's nothing else to learn, really, for me. They've shown me everything that I can do that they'll let me do, and they hold me down from the rest. It's like an evil janitor that goes behind me cleaning up and deleting my stuff. So really, people can't speak out, even if they wanted to. But that works both ways, though. The agenda, they do have set rules as well. But, oh man, I don't know what else to say about it really.